this game is not suitable for 12-year-olds. If you're under 12 years old, go play FNAF.
To Chipper and his son, Tyke.
Why is he
Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company.
at home? It's time for you to explore the world. I'm going to be watching you from a safe distance. I am a professional. And you can come right after me if you work hard enough. But remember, no one ever beats good old Chipper. He was truly the best. Now get lost. It's your time to shine. We'll start as soon as this text box disappears. What a beautiful day game. You know. And it's not scary. Like, there's no horror. Like, huh? There you are. Okay, I can go to bed now. And now I just click B. Wake up time. Good bird catches the worm. This is why I did this. This is the best joke in this game. I ordered a Mixiano, not a regular coffee. You really need to listen closely. How could any customer get satisfied with our work? I never tried one of these. Let's see how it tastes.